Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can make use of our Windy extension to migrate from an existing CSS solution such as Bootstrap over to Tailwind CSS easily. So let's check it out. If you want to move from an existing solution such as Bootstrap over to Tailwind CSS, it might be a bit more complicated to basically replace the existing classes with everything that Tailwind has to offer. And that's where Windy comes into play. So here we are on the Bootstrap landing page, and let's just say that we want to convert this whole block over to Tailwind CSS. Now, of course, this is using Bootstrap since we are on the Bootstrap website. Let's see how Windy can help us. So on this website, we first have to activate Windy. You can do this once you have installed the extension by clicking on the Windy icon. Once Windy is available, you can hover over any HTML element and Windy will show you the Tailwind CSS classes that it detects for this specific element. So for example, here we have the headline, we see the margin top, the margin bottom, the font medium, leading none, etc. Likewise, this works for nested HTML elements as well. So if we want to copy the whole block, all that I need to do is just select it, click, and then Windy is going to copy all of the HTML nested with Tailwind CSS classes. So let's head over to Tailwind Play and paste this in. There we go. As you can see, this was just done with one click of a button. And now I have all these transitions in place, I have the HTML, and as you can see, I have all these Tailwind CSS classes. Of course, this is also fully responsive. So if we resize this box, we can see that the button sizes change depending on the viewport. There might also be a situation where you don't want to copy all of the HTML, but you only want to copy the CSS classes that Windy detects. To use this, we can just hover over the element that you want to copy, and then instead of just clicking, we press the Shift key while we click. And once we do this, we copy all of the classes, but not the HTML. So if we now go to Tailwind Play, we can just create a new div, paste in all these classes that we have, and we have a button. There we go. It's that easy to copy existing HTML to Tailwind CSS classes with Windy. So be sure to check it out. You can also try out the extension on the Use Windy website. So if you just go to usewindy.com, you can see some more of the features. You can try Windy on this website so you have the same functionality on the Windy landing page itself. And yeah, I hope that you like Windy, and I hope that it saves you a lot of time.